Hi guys, in last video we saw the Fibonacci sequence using for loop. Now we are going to use a recursive instead of for loop. Recursion means the method called itself. Let's see how it's going to work. So let's create, we don't want to this stuff. Let's create the n variable. It should be until 10 we are going to loop it. Okay. Just delete this logics. We are going to create the method, the function, the custom function. So the argument should be an integer. I'm going to create n variable here. The method going to return that value as a data type is integer. I mean the method will return that integer data type value. So before that we are going to validate this n argument. It should be less than or equal to 1. If it is there, we are going to return that the same value. If it is more than 1, I mean 0, 1 is the first digit of Fibonacci, and 1 and 2 and further values should be we are going to use a recursion. So return the same method we are going to call itself Fibo n minus 1 plus Fibo n minus 2. So we are going to invoke this method into the for loop. That's it. We are going to run this program. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.